Right, today we're gonna sharpen my lawnmower blade. I'm gonna use my Dremel 4300 with the attachment for the 932 sharpener. This is a special attachment for your lawnmower blade. Blades are looking a little dull, so I just want to try to get a nice sharp edge on here to start off the spring. We can go ahead and balance it. It's good. If it was going downward, it means it's a little bit heavier, so you'd probably want to take a little bit more material off, but as it's level here, it means it's pretty balanced. You can see that shiny material that's been removed and polished.